Looking for extra advantage on your crypto trading? You can capitalize on our 5% off offer on Binance. You'll get a 5% discount off every trade that you make on Binance. All you have to do is follow the link in the description and sign up to enjoy this wonderful offer. XRP's price chart has been trending on the bull market for some time now. The price of XRP has seen some action and has managed to close on the green for a few days, sparking hopes of a major move on the upside. This was marked by a much-expected break out of the 40 to 49 cents price range. The coin broke through what had been a major resistance for most of the month. We are elated to see the coin riding what could be a great wave towards a new height as the month of March draws to a close. As we enter into April, we might see some fascinating moves on the XRP charts as it tests new levels of prominence as it goes on a fairy tale journey to the peak. Welcome back to Make Money Online, and today we're looking at some very important XRP technical analysis. You may have not seen it before. We'll also be looking at some past XRP charts that predicted moves by XRP, and we'll look at the current ones as well as some that make predictions for the future. We'll be looking at the latest XRP news as well as the latest predictions according to chart technical analysis and price projections. If you're watching a video on this channel for the first time, please don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and also turn on post notifications so you get notified every time we upload a new video. XRP is being set up for what could be an impressive run beyond our wildest imaginations. We've had a few leg breaks here and there, as well as detours sponsored by negative news that kept beating it down. Now, we've seen a couple of exchanges here and there that have revealed the bright patch of the near future for us and how XRP could turn out in the time to come. This year, perhaps, could be the start of a major turnaround in the fortunes of XRP. The long-awaited shuttle of XRP could be set to move, riding on the back of what would be a major driving force in the legacy of XRP. At least, that's what the charts seem to be communicating to us. Every chart we've researched has been setting up to establish a connection to a platform on which XRP could rise from. These come at a time when investor sentiment really matters to crypto and XRP in particular. The best thing about technical analysis of any chart is that it brings you a close-up idea of what to expect from the moves being made by cryptocurrency. Paying close attention to new charts and studying them analytically is one of the things that has helped some of the richest traders around the world today. They've made millions of dollars, amounts of which will be beyond your wildest imagination unless you too find a way to obtain them. Then you'd find the sky to be the limit. This is what we have here when we talk about XRP's chart analysis. It presents to us a clearer picture of the future while reining in on the present factors. While not all predictions turn out to be correct, even if they seem to be the probable endpoint, it can only be the result of the market volatility of crypto in general, XRP included, that can make a fool of even the world's best crypto analyst. Nothing is ever guaranteed, but still it doesn't stop us from hoping or even anticipating a specific endpoint. We reckon with the fact that there can be no perfect prediction, which is why there are certain trading tools to help one manage their portfolio and reap profit as well as minimize losses. We can't know it all, especially in crypto. You'd have to really go forward in time to well and truly know what would be the fate of a crypto. Such an advantage would help you know what to expect from a crypto's price moves. You'd know which coin is next to hit $1,000. You'd know which crypto will make you lose money the most. You'd know the one with the slowest growth. You'd know the one with the fastest growth rate. But there's virtually no technology in the world right now that can facilitate such a phenomenon, and hence, XRP charts is the only thing we have that brings us closer by the slightest fraction to knowing what would happen in the future for XRP. It also lets us compare the past with the present. For instance, let's take a look at this chart. This chart predicted that by the 11th to 12th of March, XRP will finally break above this pattern of 58 cents to 59 cents as the main targets here. It suggests that if no bullish breakout is confirmed, it may mean a fake out, resulting in a breakdown instead of up, and is still potentially in the cards. However, though now the price has actually risen out of the price range it was at the time the chart was made, the prediction did not hold true as the rise above 50 cents did not happen until much later, which is about 8 days from the time predicted in the chart. We'll be waiting to see if an even bigger breakout happens one way or the other. However, we agree with the analyst that there is a high probability which currently favors the continuation of the bulls. In this chart, the major idea is what the month of April holds for XRP. The month could very well start up with XRP still in the mid-50s, and this could hold ideally. A sustenance at 50 cents is still assumed to be a good enough place. The price currently resides in a triangle, though it's not a triangle pattern. It represents the area that we would like to maintain in order to keep challenging the upper channel line. Sooner or later, the price will definitely break through. This is nothing more than identifying a pattern. It may be nothing, but it was interesting to note, especially since many are looking for much lower prices in order to buy the dip. At the moment, this idea is questionable, since markets have a way of deteriorating investor sentiments. And emotionally, we become conditioned to the idea that the price needs to go lower, as it seems almost expected. That's when it often does the opposite. We could see a polarizing effect in the price trend. Things may not end up as they seem. This is one pretty speculative chart holding out for new moves for XRP. XRP holders are looking for the coin to break this jinx as it hopes to rise above the resistance and set on the way to break others. On the surface view, we see the establishment of resistances at previous high levels. For instance, there are two resistance levels established at 45 cents and 65 cents range. The two resistances are about 10 cents apart, with the first resistance at 50 cents, while the second resistance is set at its February high of 63 cents, both of which are placed just below the third resistance, which is its November 2020 high of about 72 cents. Above this is a heavy resistance established at $1. The last resistance is set at a much higher level, which is its all-time high of about $3.84. Currently, though, we have seen the price hit the resistance between 45 and 60 cents. Word in the mill is that if the coin is going to break the peak resistance, it's going to be in one fell swoop. While it might take a few pecks at lower levels, it's expected to breeze by the limit of the all-time high and establish a new all-time high, which has been mooted since the recovery at the start of the year. In this chart, the weekly structure is bullish. XRP is following the bullish trend. In the monthly time frame, XRP is leading towards the bull rally, and this will be extremely important to reach the all-time high of 3.5 USD, as indicated by the chart. The chart comes with major strong suggestions to time our investments in the cryptocurrency while it's in the lower zone. The analyst suggests that XRP could go to $1 or above this price very soon. Adoption is becoming a luxury, especially when XRP is about to hit an extremely important value that we can't begin to imagine. In the real context, it's still within the top 5 crypto that should be in anyone's portfolio, right up there with Bitcoin, Ethereum, ADA, and Chainlink. XRP has had a lot of news about its application. It's becoming increasingly relevant to banks in the world as it meets their needs. For that reason, this cryptocurrency is a fascinating one to invest in indeed. There is nothing as good as getting a good buy-in before any crypto goes bullish. In this bullish run of XRP, we've seen its price return to the mid-50 cents, and we expect a surge above it as it aims to return to above 70 cents, a level which it saw in its November to December 2020 run right before Ripple got hit with the lawsuit. At that level, we can anticipate the price going close or actually crossing the fence at $1, which will put Cardano in its crosshairs at around $1.24. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on that notification bell so you can get updates whenever you post new videos. What are your thoughts on XRP? Let us know in the comment section below, and while you're here, go ahead and click on one of the videos on your screen. Don't forget to take a peek in the description box and click on that link to become one of the lucky beneficiaries of the Binance 5% off trading fee. Just sign up with the link included in the description. See you next time.
Hollywood Carson. That's how it goes. Hollywood Carson.